Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix no Nvidia GPU is detected in your system, most especially for Windows 11. Right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, physical hardware check. Okay, go ahead and shut down your PC, unplug it from the socket or wall socket, and then just physically check the graphics card if it's securely seated in the PCIe slot. And also ensure that the 6 or 8 pin power connectors are firmly plugged into the GPU. And then once that's done, boot up your computer and check if it helps. Now, if that won't work, go ahead over to your device manager right here. Right click on your start menu, click on device manager. And then in here, go ahead and click on view. And then go ahead and click on show hidden devices. Okay. And once that's done, go ahead and click on display adapters and check if it helps, or check if your GPU is now listed. Now, if that doesn't work, click on action and then go ahead and click on scan for hardware changes. Okay. So as you can see here, it's now scanning. Just wait for it. And if your GPU pops up, well, you're good to go. You can now then go ahead and click on it, right click, update the driver, search automatically. If it says the best drivers for your device are already installed, click on search for updates or updated drivers on a Windows update. Now in here, just click on check for updates, wait for process to finish right here, install everything, as well as under advanced options and optional updates, check if there are available updates here, as well as most of our device drivers will be available right here. Okay, so once all the update is done, it will ask you to restart computer. So go ahead and restart your computer and then check if it helps. If that doesn't work, find or go ahead and bring your favorite browser and just type down Nvidia drivers. Okay, hit on enter. Now in here, click on the link from Nvidia itself. And then just scroll up and you'll be able to see best for gamers or creators right here, or manually search your driver. Okay, but if I were you, I'm just going to go ahead and install this one right here, as it includes the Nvidia app. Okay, it will be easier for you to install all of your drivers. So just click on download now, and then after that, install it. Once installed, you'll now be able to see both Nvidia app and Nvidia control panel right here at the bottom right. So all you got to do is just right click on it. Okay, so once you've installed the driver, you can now then go ahead over to the drivers tab once more and make sure that that is installed right here. There'll be a download button and install button, so just click on it. And once everything is done, again, do not forget to restart your computer. And once that's done, you're good to go. That is how you fix Nvidia GPU or no Nvidia GPU is detected in your system. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.